Welcome back everyone to science lecture. So we have already learned about the two topics of this chapter, air and water pollution, where we have discussed about causes, effects and some preventive measures to be taken for air and water pollution. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the activities that you have to do, because this chapter is only for activity purpose. So today we will only discuss how exactly you have to go about the activities. Okay, so please listen carefully. Now here, on the basis of this chapter, we have three different activities. You can choose any one of these. First activity is slogan writing. Second is real life cases. And third is action plans. You can choose any one of these, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can choose any one of these activities which are based on this chapter, water and air pollution. And you have to submit this activity in Science Google Classroom by 30 Jan 2021. You can submit it before or on 30 Jan 2021, not after that. Okay, so today we will just talk about these activities. We will discuss in detail that exactly what is expected from you while doing the activity, so that you don't have any doubts. First of all, example 1. First, if you are choosing first topic for your activity, then the first topic is slogan writing. So here we have one example. First example 1, where you can make a drawing related to pollution and you can write a short slogan about pollution. As here it is given, stop pollution, and this drawing is showing both water as well air pollution. You can draw something related to pollution and you can write a short slogan. Now, those who don't like to draw, those who don't want to draw, for them also this is second example, where you can just write a slogan. What is given here? Be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. So this is one example. Like this, you can find out, or you can frame your own slogan. You can also create some good innovative, something new, some new slogan related to pollution and saving the environment. So here you can only write solution in some beautiful pattern. Okay, in a beautiful design you can write. So there is no need to draw. Drawing is not compulsory. You can simply write the slogan, but just write the slogan in a catchy manner. It should be some catchy, because when we write slogans, we cannot just write in a simple sentence. It has to be catchy to attract people's attention. So okay, so that people look at that slogan. So you can choose this as an activity for writing a slogan related to pollution or saving the environment. Okay. Now for those who want to opt for second topic is real life cases. Here you have to search some real life case or any place which is actually affected by water or air pollution. For example, here we have taken example of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is affected by pollution. Now, this Taj Mahal is located in Agra and it has become a matter of concern now. Experts have warned that pollutants in air are discoloring its white marble. Because if you all have visited Taj Mahal, if you all have heard about Taj Mahal, you know that it is known for its beauty. People come from far off places even from foreign countries, people come to visit and especially see and admire the beauty of Taj Mahal. But it is losing its beauty because of our irresponsible and careless behavior, because of many human activities. Due to air pollution, it is losing its beauty. As you can see, discoloration is clearly seen. White color is turning into yellow color. This is because of a lot of air pollutants which are released from a number of vehicles and industries which are in the nearby area. Now, so that means it is not only a living organisms that get affected by polluted air, but non-living things like buildings, monuments, and statues also get affected. This is one example. Same way, you have to look for some other example. You have to search some. This is not the recent one. There are many new places which are really suffering from pollution, where people are affected. You can also talk about any area where many people are suffering from some kind of respiratory disease due to pollution in their area, or any place where people are having some digestive tract related diseases because of contaminated water consumption, which is in coming from their nearby water bodies. That means anywhere where any living organism or non-living thing has got affected by air or water pollution, but it should be a factual, it should be a real case. Okay, this is the second activity. So you have to gather information, write a report on that, and you have to stick picture of that area. Okay, so you have to give a brief note of that area, how exactly pollution has affected that area with the picture of this. Now those who want to choose third topic. Third topic is the action plan. Now we know that so many places pollution is affecting the environment, the living and non-living organisms. But here, what has government done, or is there any action taken by the people who are residing there? For example, here there are many success stories in our fight against air pollution. For example, a few years ago, Delhi was one of the most polluted cities in the world. It was being choked by fumes released from automobiles running on diesel and petrol. So a decision was taken to switch to fuels like CNG, which is an eco-friendly fuel, causes less pollution, and unleaded petrol. These measures have resulted in cleaner air for the city. So this was an action taken by government that time, turning or switching on to CNG instead of running petrol or diesel car, and it really resulted well. It gave good results. So there is a need to switch over to alternative fuels instead of fossil fuels for our energy requirement. These could be solar energy, hydropower, and wind energy. So we can opt for such energy resources. So this is one example. You have to search and look for any other place where people have adopted some another source of energy instead of one which is causing pollution. For example, any area where biogas plants are run, people are using energy from biogas. Now this is a successful story, but all the actions are not always successful. There are sometimes some plans which do not succeed. For example, Ganga Action Plan. Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1986 by the Government of India, but it was to control and to clean the river Ganga, which has got highly polluted by different human activities. Now, but it was not a successful plan. they could not achieve any success despite expenditure of approximately 2000 crore rupees. So even though the government claims that the scheme under Ganga Action Plan have been successful, but ground realities tell a different story. But actually, it was not achieved at the level which it was expected to. So, but afterwards it was continued as a different plan that you can search on and find out anything that was continued after this to make the river cleaner. Same way, one more was there from Delhi only. One more example where CM Kejriwal, he had declared for odd and even system where vehicles will run on odd even number system. So these are few examples. You can search for more. And once again, I have given